Even though the Tesla Model 3 is considered a luxury car, there are places on and in the Model 3 that is far from luxurious, like not having automatically open doors, trunk, and frunk. There's little you can do for the doors, but for the trunk and frunk, there's a quick and affordable way to make them open elegantly. You no longer needing to lift the trunk and frunk with your hands. Meet the struts. This spring-loaded lift supports will elevate your Tesla Model 3 and turn heads at the same time. The installation is straightforward, but that does not mean I didn't make mistakes. This includes scratches, hurting my head from falling trunk, and almost losing strut clips deep inside the car. By the way, the last one is a big deal, as it will rattle when driving. That would drive me nuts. Therefore, this video will guide you through a quick and painless installation minus any mistakes. You will need a flat screwdriver, a towel, and a stick. In the beginning, I wanted to use a plastic prier, but the strut metal clip is too strong and therefore we need to use a flat metal head. And since we will be using a flathead screwdriver, you will need a towel to prevent scratches. The stick is to prevent your head from falling trunk after the removal of the struts. Unless you have your wife there to help you, you will need to fiddle with your own stick. Pry the metal clip from each end of the strut. The order does not matter. Use one hand to pry and the other to hold on to the clip, as it will go flying, especially if you don't know your own strength. And even if you do, there's a good chance it will still go flying. The problem with this is that the only places it flies to seems to be deep inside the interior, all the time. Pry the clip and move it to the end of the strut, or even take the whole clip out just in case it flies out. I had lost the clips not once, but twice. But luckily, those clips did not went deep inside the car interior, and I was. Nikki was able to help me get it out from the deep, dark, cold abyss, like her heart.
The can is too small.
Huh? That's what C. No wait. Then wiggle the strut to take it out. Remember to wiggle, not pull, nor push. The latter takes considerably more strength, resulting in strut hitting the paint of the car or the rear window. In case you have the strength of a Hulk and the attention span of a toddler and decided to yank it out, this is where the towel comes in. Use a towel to cover your car rear windshield and the car body because it will get damaged. To install the new struts, simply put the clip back to its original location. Align the strut hole with the knob and push in. The order does not matter, but start from the bottom as it is easier to adjust the trunk or front lid accordingly with the length of the strut. And voila! Now your trunk can be fully erected. No more humiliating, weak, incomplete erection. Say goodbye to those embarrassing moments where you have to manually use your hands. Now, you can erect on demand. Do the same step with the frunk. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our work, remember to give us a like and consider subscribing. We aimed for 10,000 subscribers 4 years ago. We were too optimistic. Until we meet again, stay safe.